In today's video, I'll be explaining the difference between a will and a lasting power of attorney, whether you need them and whether you need both of them. Okay, so a will, as most of you know, is pretty common knowledge. A will is what happens when you die. The will effectively says what you want to happen with your assets and your estate. This makes it extremely easy for the executor of your estate, who you choose inside your will, to go through and clearly work out what needs to happen with the assets. Now, this makes it a far easier process of going through UK probate. I know this because I've been through UK probate for both of my grandparents. Having a clear will is the very, very best present you can give to anyone on your passing, because it makes things very, very simple and clear. It can get rid of a lot of awkwardness or emotions in families if it's clear from the beginning what is going to happen with the assets. Now, I even say to my clients, not everyone's very keen on the idea, share your will with your entire family once it is produced. So everyone is clear, everyone knows what's going to happen when you die, as opposed to leaving it as some big secret and reveal, which obviously could cause, from the grave, you could still be causing people a little bit upset if it wasn't quite what they expected. On the other side of the equation, you have lasting power of attorney. Now, a lasting power of attorney is basically what happens when you don't quite die, but something terrible happens to you. Either physically or mentally, you are unable to look after yourself and you're unable to make decisions. So there's two types of lasting power of attorney. One is health and the other one is financial and property. So basically, with the health and welfare one, this is giving someone the ability to say, okay, if you become physically or mentally unable to make decisions for yourself, they will decide on your health and welfare, what should happen, where should you live, should you be in a nursing home, whatever it might be. The one that's more commonly used by most of my clients is the property and financial affairs one. Now, a lasting power of attorney, in my opinion, is so important. If you have absolutely no money and no assets, then okay, perhaps it's not that important for you. But if you have assets, what happens if you get hit by a bus, or if something happens to you, or you have a stroke, you're in hospital, or you can't talk, or whatever it is? Your husband, your wife, your children, your beneficiaries, nobody can access your capital and nobody can make any decisions for you. That is a very horrible situation, and unfortunately, I have seen it happen here at Cameron James. This is one of the main reasons why, around 2 years ago, we set out on a big mission to help all of our clients, where it's suitable, get a will and lasting power of attorney in place. Now, the company we work with, normally how it works is financial advisory firms take the solution from them, wrap it up, put their logo on it and sell it for 2 or 3 times more. Here at Cameron James, we're not interested in that. All we want to do is make sure as many of our clients have wills and lasting power of attorney on file. So we give the discount cost from the provider straight to our clients and they work directly with them to get them ready. We just help in the background because normally we have your client profile. We'll help fill in the paperwork and our admin team will assist you, but the relationship will actually be directly between you and them, and there's no cost at all from our side, even for the administration, which we do. Now, the lasting power of attorney is extremely important. Once you have it set up, that will give that person or people the ability to make decisions on your behalf should something happen to you but you don't quite pass away. Obviously, as I've mentioned already, the will is very simple and easy to understand. If you have any questions about this or you want to understand more differences, let me know below. And as always, take care with your UK pension assets.